The all-new Cadillac Optiq obtained a 5-star rating in the latest Euroncap safety tests. The new EV scored 83% in the Adult Occupant crash tests. The passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset test. Protection of all critical body regions scored a good 5 out of 5 for the front passenger. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection was good, scoring 5 out of 5 for all critical body regions of the driver, but chest protection was rated as weak for the rear passenger, scoring 2 out of 5. In the side barrier test, the Cadillac Optiq provided good protection to all critical body areas and scored 5 out of 5. In the more severe side pole impact, protection was at least adequate, scoring 4 out of 5 for all critical body areas. The Optiq has a countermeasure to mitigate against occupant-to-occupant injuries in lateral impacts, scoring 5 out of 5. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. However, the rear seats indicated marginal whiplash protection, scoring 3 out of 5. Cadillac Optiq also scored 81% in the child occupant crash tests. In both the frontal offset and the side barrier tests, protection of all critical body areas was good for both the 6 and 10-year dummies, scoring 5 out of 5. On the vulnerable road users test, Cadillac Optiq scored 76%. Protection of the head of a struck pedestrian or cyclist was largely good or adequate, with poor results recorded on the stiff windscreen pillars and at the base of the screen. The autonomous emergency braking system responds well to vulnerable road users such as pedestrians and cyclists, as well as to other vehicles. The system's response to motorcyclists was good, the car scoring full points in this part of the assessment. In the safety assist section, the car scored 74%. The performance of the autonomous emergency braking system was adequate in tests of its reaction to other vehicles, scoring 4 out of 5. The car has a direct driver status monitoring system as standard, detecting driver fatigue and some types of distraction. The lane support system gently corrects the vehicle's path if it is drifting out of lane, and also intervenes in some more critical situations.